Multani business passage number 20. When you have read through your notes and written them out, you must then check up on any outlines of which you are not sure or which have caused you difficulty, comma, either in writing or regarding, full stop. Look up the outlines, comma, ask your teacher any questions you have regarding them, comma, and then set about the work of memorizing them so that they become part of your shorthand knowledge, comma, and cause you no further troubles, full stop. A good method to follow is to company the outlines into a notebook, comma, leaving lines for further copying, comma, and then to write them over and over again, full stop. Paragraph. If you have done written work and given your paper to the teacher to mark, comma, your work has not come to an end when you hand the paper to the teacher, full stop. When the marked work is returned to you, comma, look at it with great care, full stop. If you find that your work has not been perfect, comma, try to discover why you went wrong, full stop. Was it simple careless, comma, the careless reading of outlines which were quite all right, question mark, or was it a wrong outline that the trouble, question mark? In either case, comma, you must make up your mind not to do the same thing again, full stop. If the outline was wrong, comma, learn the right one, full stop. If you were careless, comma, make up your mind to be more careful, full stop. It is really surprising how many marks are lost by shorthand writers simply through carelessness, full stop. A written piece of work is ready to hand in the moment you reach the least outline, full stop. You must then go back to the beginning and check your work word by word, comma, outline by outline, comma, to make quite sure that you have not left out a word or even a whole line of your notes, full stop. A surprising number of young writers do not pass their shorthand tests simply because they have left out a line of their notes, full stop. There is little sense in working hard to reach a certain rate of writing, comma, if when it comes to taking a test, comma, you do not pass because of carelessness, full stop. So, comma, be sure to check your longhand with your shorthand always, full stop. Your comma, however, comma, still not at the end of work for, comma, if you want to make certain, comma, beyond all doubt, comma, that there is no loss of marks through simple carelessness, comma, you must read through your work once again, comma, this time reading your longhand with watching carefully to see that you have not left out the end of a word, comma, and that you have not written a word a second time, full stop. It is bad enough to lose marks when you have really done something wrong because you knew no better, comma, but it is still harder to see marks lost when you did know better, full stop. Take great care, comma, therefore, comma, with the details, full stop, paragraph. Another part of your self-help training is to copy good shorthand, full stop. The shorthand appearing in the notebooks of some good shorthand writers will offer you good examples to follow, full stop. This does not mean that all shorthand writers are expected to write shorthand identically, full stop. Indeed, comma, if you look carefully at the different pages of different writers, comma, you will see that there are differences in the kind of shorthand, comma, as it has been written by different people, full stop. It seems that no two people write longhand which is just the same in all respects, comma, and in the same way. It is not likely that shorthand writers will all write shorthand which is just the same in the form and size, full stop. There are, comma, however, comma, general rules about shorthand writing, full stop. The outlines should be well formed. The different parts of the outlines should be of the right size in relation to one another, comma, and the outlines should always be placed in the right position in relation to the line of writing, full stop. Outlines which are meant to be written in the first place should be clearly above the line, comma, and outlines which ought to be in the third place should be very clearly through the line, full stop. Outlines should be kept reasonably near together, comma, and the outlines should not be much bigger or smaller than those used by good writers, full stop. Small differences in the size do not matter, comma, but very, comma, very small and very large outlines should not be used, full stop. Very small outlines may be difficult to read, comma, very large ones waste time, full stop.